Hey there, it's me again, your friendly neighborhood science enthusiast. Today, we're diving into a fascinating discovery that might just change the way we think about our sense of smell. Get ready for a deep dive into the world of neuroscience and evolution, because this is a story that will make you go, huh, who knew? So, picture this, a mouse, scurrying around, sniffing rapidly as it hunts for food. Now, contrast that with a human, taking a leisurely sniff to check if a cantaloupe is ripe. On the surface, these behaviors seem worlds apart, right? But, as it turns out, there might be a hidden connection between these seemingly different actions. Two studies, conducted by researchers at Northwestern University, have uncovered a potential link between the way mice and humans process smells. And it's all about the sniff. You see, rodents are known for their rapid-fire sniffing, while humans take a more relaxed approach. This difference in behavior has long puzzled scientists. How can both species identify and process odors with such precision when their sampling rates are so different? Well, these studies might just have the answer. In the first study, researchers observed mice handling food and noticed a curious behavior. Sometimes, the mice would pause mid-bite, lifting the food towards their noses before continuing to eat. This brief pause, often overlooked amidst their rapid sniffing, was a deliberate action. The team built a robotic multi-camera system to track these mice, and what they found was fascinating. The mice timed a single, deliberate sniff to the exact moment the food reached their noses. It was a coordinated action, involving breathing, head position, and even hand movement. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The researchers disrupted the mice's sense of smell, and the single food sniff continued. It was only when they silenced the motor cortex, the brain region controlling voluntary movement, that the behavior stopped. This suggests that the single sniff is a deliberate, volitional action, not a reflex. But what about humans? Well, the second study focused on the human olfactory bulb, the brain structure that receives signals from the nose. The team used a high-precision recording method to measure activity in the olfactory bulbs of human volunteers as they took a single intentional breath. And guess what? That single inhalation triggered low-frequency brain waves, known as theta oscillations, which matched the frequency of rodent sniffing. This means that, despite our slower breathing rate, our brains can process odor information in a similar way to rodents. In fact, our single, slow inhalation can activate multiple internal processing cycles, allowing us to rapidly organize and analyze smells. So, what does this all mean? Well, personally, I think it's a fascinating insight into the evolution of our sense of smell. It seems that, rather than developing an entirely new olfactory system, humans have adapted an ancient, shared neural system. Our brains have found a way to work within our different breathing patterns, allowing us to process smells efficiently, just like our rodent friends. This discovery has potential implications for human health too. Changes in sniffing behavior have been linked to conditions like autism, Alzheimer's, and Parkinson's. By understanding how healthy smell processing circuits operate, researchers can better identify when these systems start to malfunction. It's like having a key to unlock the mysteries of these diseases. So, there you have it, folks. A deep dive into the world of smell, and a reminder that sometimes, the simplest actions, like a sniff, can reveal incredible insights into our brains and our evolution. I hope you found this as fascinating as I did. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious. Optional, a fun, lighthearted closing thought or a question to engage the audience further.